Welcome back, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream. It's currently 9:44 p.m. September 29th. Can't believe it's already September, guys. But yeah, time does fly. So we're just gonna pull up my charts here, guys. Give me 1 second. I'll pull my charts up here. Hope you guys are doing well. All right, guys, so we're going to begin our live stream. So just give me 1 second here. I'm just going to update the video description. Bear with me, guys. In the meantime, guys, welcome to the family. Super excited to have you guys. Super excited. Let's go. Get it, guys. As we have more and more people join in, guys, let me know where you guys are joining in from. Comment in the chat box below. Let me know where you're joining us from, guys. Welcome in, guys. Goonies, Phoebe, let's go. Let's go. The hustle doesn't stop. He knows what's good. Sister-in-law, always supporting. Thank you, thank you. The hustle doesn't stop, guys. Even if we're sick, we're still here. The hustle doesn't stop. So we're gonna wait for a couple more people to join in, guys. In the meantime, welcome. We're gonna take a look at some of the charts that we've been analyzing. So USD/JPY is one of the pairs that we were looking at. We did get a rejection of this level of structure and a continuation to the downside. However, we are now getting a push to the upside and retesting this level of structure over here. This is getting really messy, so I'm going to clear the charts, guys. Okay, so we are looking at USD JPY. Take a look at the daily time frame. All right. So here's kind of what I'm expecting. Obviously, price has been pushing to the upside in the past. So even on the daily time frame, we know that the overall direction for USD JPY has been to the upside. We did get a nice clean pullback to this level of structure. We would have hoped for price to come down a little bit lower, similar to here in the past, but we didn't get that push to the downside all the way. We still could technically, as long as we respect this level of structure here on the highs. So we just got to keep an eye out and see what GJ ends up, USD JPY ends up doing. But we'll see what ends up happening with UJ because it seems like it is respecting this level of structure. You can see that this level here is an area of significance. Even in the past, you could see that price has respected this level of structure multiple times, guys. We're on the higher time frame, 4 hour time frame. You can see rejection, 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 and multiple rejections, guys. So what is that telling us? That is telling us that price is struggling to push to the upside. However, the bears are also struggling to push price down. So we also have to consider that too, guys, and look at things a little bit differently and say, hey, we have been trying multiple times to push price to the upside. It seems like the bears still don't have enough control to push it to the downside. So what are we looking at? We're creating lower highs, higher lows and higher lows, right? Obviously, we got this kind of like, I think we had news when this came out. But we essentially, you can see these lows, they keep getting higher and higher and higher and higher. But we could potentially expect a breakout to the upside, um, or even potentially to the downside. We don't know yet. So that's something that we do have to just kind of keep an eye out, guys. Because price could do anything at any given time. Like, you know what I mean? This could be a wedge pattern formation that could be targeting the lows of this wedge, or it could be a push to the upside, ascending wedge triangle formation that is indicating to us that price wants to keep pushing to the upside. So there's so many ways we can go about it. That's right, Gunyis, family first. um, there's so many ways to go about it, right? So we have to be kind of considerate and understand, okay, what is price going to do? Where can we expect price to go, right? So um, if we get a break above this level structure, then we can start looking for buy setups. Okay, that's what we want to look for USD JPY. This is the 4 hour time frame. Knowing that, we can kind of narrow it down to the lower time frames. Look at the 1 hour. You know, we did get a rejection of this level of structure, which we were expecting today. Excuse me. We got that pullback down to this level here, and we're retesting the highs yet again. So, you know, at this point, we just gotta kind of wait it out and see what price ends up doing. I think it'll do something in London session, potentially something for tomorrow. Um, we might see some sort of a breakout potentially to the upside, but it seems like price it is retesting these highs right now, and it could push even higher potentially for USD JPY. So we just gotta keep an eye out on that, guys, and see what ends up happening. Yeah, okay, so look in here. Give me 1 second here, guys. That's super slow. Welcome, welcome. We got a couple new members joining in, guys. Welcome. Excited to have you guys here. We're just looking at USDJPY. Just bear with me here, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right, guys. Welcome in. Welcome. Chetan, good morning. I think it might be morning for you. It's nighttime here in Canada. We're at like 10 p.m. right now. So welcome either way. All right, awesome, guys. We got a couple likes already on the video. That's awesome, guys. Appreciate the love. If you guys enjoy these live streams, smash that like button for me, guys. All right, so we're gonna continue on here. So that's kind of what we're looking at for USDJPY, guys. So like I said, we want to see kind of price break above this level of structure for a continuation to the upside. And kind of right now, what we're seeing price do is just retesting it right now. So even if we narrow it down to a 30-minute, we're not looking for buy setups unless we break above these highs over here. So buy setups above these highs. And then, to be honest with you, I'm not really looking for any sell setups below at least this level of structure down here. So I wouldn't even look for sell setups as long like we have to see price break below this level of structure for us to start even considering sell setups on USDJPY. Because we've got a lot of a range here. We've got price here in the past, right? We've got support, a little bit of resistance here, resistance, support, right? So this is a level where price has respected in the past, guys. And this is how we look at the markets, right? How are we able to understand what price is going to do or where it's going to potentially go is understanding where price has been, right? And so the past will always tell us an idea as to what the future or where the future could potentially react, right? Which levels price could potentially react. And so that's important as a trader to understand these concepts and be like, okay, this is where potentially we can get into the market. This is where potentially price is going to react. And that's kind of how we are able to spot these major key levels, right? So always look at the bigger picture, look at the higher time frames. You understand the overall direction. We understand we're looking for buy setups overall for USDJPY. On the daily, you can see that clearly we have been trending to the upside. Okay, that's kind of what we're expecting, guys. Obviously, if we get a break of this structure below, then we can start targeting below this level here, potentially down to this level over here. That is still a possibility. So anyways, we'll come back to that. GBP JPY. So yeah, so remember I told you guys on GBP JPY, so GJ, we needed to hold this level of support here. So let's kind of zoom in a little bit. So we got that full momentum, we got that strong momentum push to the upside. Let me clear this here. No, this is give me 1 second. 1 hour. You guys remember this trade setup in the morning? Look where price went exactly as predicted. And I said, guys, we're looking at price pulling back here. Look at the 15. There we go. We were looking for GJ to go to the upside. Remember, I think it was about 100 pips. I think it was 150 pips. And then it was, the first TP1 was around here, 60 pips. But anyways, we were looking for buys. And so you can see that price went in our favor. In fact, we're finally getting price go up in terms of like bullishness for the British pound. It has been super weak. So we were expecting the British pound to continue to have that bullish sentiment. So we did get that, which was good. And so we are expecting some sort of a pullback at least. We can expect some sort of a pullback at least this level of structure down here. We can see kind of price range for a little bit because we do, if you look on the left-hand side, guys, look at this area here. This is an area of significance. And then if we pull this, our line out here, we can see that price has reacted to this level of structure literally at this area here, this major key level. You look right over there, right? You can see that price is reacting to this level of structure. In the past as well, price has respected this area here, this level of structure here. You know, you got support, 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 resistance, right? So now we're retesting it right now as resistance. So we can expect at least some sort of an exhaustion. I'm not saying that price will come back down all the way down here because I don't see that happening, but I do see price kind of reacting a little bit, creating some sort of a ranging area here, potentially come down to this level of structure down here. And then we can kind of see what price is going to do for GJ. But in terms of like our earlier live stream, guys, I mentioned that we were looking for buy setups on GJ. So, you know, price went in our favor. We got that strong momentum push. We got that retest at this level structure here. And then, you know, you can see that I put the push area here. Take that out there anyways, but we were looking for buys and price came back to the 0.618 and it continued to push to the upside. So, yeah, that's how that went there. GU, unfortunately, we got stopped out on GU. Yeah, we've cleaned the charts here, guys. Yeah, we were expecting some sort of a at least pullback or at this level structure here, at least to these lows over here. But price continued to go on bullish, which is good and it is expected, especially because the British pound has been super, super weak. So we finally got that kind of push to the upside, which is what we needed because it was really, really low for the longest time. Let's go, let's go. We got a couple more members joining in, guys. Welcome, welcome. Smash that like button for me. Also, guys, welcome. Introduce yourself if you're new to the channel, guys. Introduce yourself to the family, guys. Let me know your name, where you're from, where you're joining us from, guys. Let's get it. Yeah, we've got Jet 10, GU, call, hit, stop loss. Yeah, unfortunately. Yeah, it's part of the game. That's why it's important, guys, to manage your risk always, okay? When you're trading, you don't want to be over trading or over risking your account. Okay, you always want to manage your risk, always trade. Otherwise, you're just gambling if you're just like doing like heavy lots or something. Okay, let's take a look at the daily for GBP US. We're finally getting that level of support here. That sort of reaction, which is kind of what we were expecting. These were kind of like new lows, which is good. However, we could see price come back down to this level of support. Maybe. We got to see what price ends up doing because it could come down and create some sort of a double bottom formation and then continue to go higher. Or price could consolidate for a little bit here and then just continue to push up. There's many ways about it. I'm not sure what price is going to do. We're just going to have to wait it out because that's the daily right now. 4 hour. Yeah, so it's nothing, no trade setups there or anything like that. Mark, we've got Tasmania, Australia. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mark. Welcome. Not sure if it's your first time here, but welcome. We do live streams every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So welcome. And I do also come in the evenings provide as much value for you guys. So I really appreciate you joining us, Mark. Welcome to the family. Not sure if you've already subscribed, but would love to have you a part of the family. If you're looking to learn, take your trading to the next level, or looking to join a community of like-minded traders, you've come to the right place. So let's go. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so let's continue on here, guys. GJ, so yeah, that's kind of the level of structure that I'm looking at where price is going to react. You can see that price has reacted here multiple times in the past. That's a strong indication to us that price is going to potentially react to this level, right? We can expect some sort of a double top. We could expect some sort of pattern formation or a range, especially after a push like this. Price is going to range. It's not just going to come back down. So you have to keep that in mind, that price is never going to just push all the way back up and push back down. I mean, unless there's like news or something like that. But what I could expect after something like this, an exhaustion, price is going to take a break. It just needs to relax, right? So this is kind of where we see what price does. We let price do its thing. We let the market do its thing, and then we analyze the markets. Then probably by tomorrow, we'll be able to see what price does. Even on London session, be able to see. Even on gold, let's take a look at gold here, guys. Daily. So daily, we seems like, so we got that rejection of this level of structure. We had some sort of a fake out here. We were expecting gold to push down below further, but it seems like gold wicked back in and is holding and respecting this level of support. So this is kind of an area that we have to keep an eye out for gold. If we narrow it down to the 4-hour, we got that strong momentum push to the upside, which is awesome. And then as you guys can see my notes here, buy setups above this level of structure. You guys can see here on the left hand side, you can see support, support, support. So this is an area of structure. And so if we get a break above, which it seems like it is pretty much breaking above, but we have to watch out for fake outs, guys. Keep an eye out for fake outs. You don't want to just get in to get in. Remember, guys, we want to wait for confirmations, and we also want to see strong momentum push. So it seems like we got a bullish candle, but then we got the following candle, 4-hour candle here, has been bearish. So we got to wait for this candle to close. Dependent on what this candle does, if it closes below this previous bullish candle, then we're looking, that's a fake out. We're looking for a continuation to the downside, potentially. But if this candle wicks and it starts pushing bullish, then that's a pretty much a good confirmation that we're looking for gold to at least start to retest these highs yet once more. And then we can start looking at gold targeting up above here at these levels and back up to this level here. So that's kind of what we're expecting for gold right now. So buy setups above this level structure, but we want to wait for confirmation, guys. So that's really important to wait for confirmations. Don't just dive in. Let's go. Welcome, welcome, guys. All right, so let me know if you guys understood that explanation for gold as well. If you did, guys, smash that like button for me. Also, let me know in the chat box if you're with me, if you're understanding that explanation. Let's go. Leave a fire emoji down below, guys. Leave me a nice fire emoji if you understood that explanation. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, so see what other pairs we were looking at here. So yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at for gold, even if we narrow it down to the 30-minute. Yeah, you'll be able to see. So price broke above slightly, and then it's kind of retesting it right now. So we need to see kind of like I said, gold. That's this bearish candle on the 4 hour. We need to push above this level of structure. So I need to see gold break above these highs here for like nice clean buy setups. Gold needs to break above here. Start looking for nice clean buy setups above this level of structure. And yeah, start looking for buy setups on. Yes, I'm getting my voice back, which is sick. Been sick for the past 2 days, so it hasn't been the greatest, guys. But here we are. We're chugging along, guys. We're chugging along. We're pushing the best that we can. US 30, guys. US 30, it seems like price for US 30. Let me clear the charts here, guys. So US 30, let's take a look at the 4 hour. So daily seems like we're kind of at this level of support. Yeah, so we are at this level of support, which I had mentioned before. Price has respected this area in the past. On the daily, let's look at the 4 hours. So 4 hour, we are getting a nice rejection of this level of structure. The price has been rejecting this level of structure. However, we are just kind of in a consolidation, you know, market condition right now. So we're just kind of ranging sideways. This could potentially be the highs of this range here, where price could come back up. In the meantime, short term for US 30, come back up to these levels here. But we just gotta keep an eye out for it. And if we narrow it down to like the 30-minute, I could probably see buys for US 30. Once we break above this level of structure here, we can start looking for buy setups on US 30. So we'll keep an eye out on that. So that's what we're looking at for US 30. Let me know in the chat box below, guys. What do you guys think of that setup there? Potential setup for US 30. Let's go. Welcome, guys. We got a couple new members joining in, guys. Yeah, let's go. US 30. Looking at buys above this level of structure. That's kind of what I'm expecting, guys. Just chugging along. Seems like I'm finally getting my voice going. I'm getting my voice back, which is good. Yeah, it was horrible not having my voice. Like, just not nice. But I still pushed through, guys. I still showed up here. Support you guys as much as I could. So that's kind of what we're looking at for US 30, okay, guys? So we could look for potential buy setups above this level of structure. We are also on the higher time frames. We're at a kind of major level of support, right? So kind of target our highs over here as a level where price could come back up and react to. So there's a lot of pips that we can catch between here now and then. So if it breaks above there, we set our targets above at these highs over here. That's about 409 pips, potentially even to around 720 pips. So yeah, I mean, obviously, I'm not saying that it's gonna go all the way up there, but we can set our TP1s at least to kind of like this area down here, which is above 300 pips, even above these highs over here around 450. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys in the loop either way. You guys know that we've got our Telegram group as well, guys, that you guys can be informed if there's any pairs or trades that we're in. So yeah, let me know in the chat box, guys, what pairs are you guys looking at specifically right now. Gold. What are you doing, gold? I wonder if we're gonna hold that level support or not. See, so that 4-hour candle, remember I told you guys that 4-hour candle, this 4-hour candle here, remember I told you guys, I said, guys, I need this 4-hour candle. If this 4-hour candle engulfs this previous bullish candle and closes that way, we're coming back down for gold. By the way, we're probably gonna come back down most likely. And it already is. You can see it already pushing down below. Now, however, I did mention that if we get a wick rejection, we get this candle flip bullish, we got that wick, then that would have been a nice strong confirmation that price is potentially going to come up to these highs over here. So gold seems like it is potentially kind of like a fake out, but we don't know just yet. Obviously, this is the 4-hour candle, by the way, too. So even here on the 1 hour, you can see, yeah, it's got bearish sentiment overall. 30-minute looking bearish for sure. And then anything for gold, kind of like, say, gold potentially coming down even to this level over here, like these lows over here, where gold would potentially come back down and pull back to this level structure. But we will see, guys. Keep an eye out on gold. I'll keep you guys in the loop either way. You guys understanding that explanation on gold? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Take a look at odd US. Odd US. You know what this is kind of looking like? Instead of an inverse head and shoulders, now looking like a harmonic. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We are looking for sells, guys. We are looking for sells. We are looking for sells on odd US, and we're targeting these lows down here. That's what we're looking for, odd US. .2 risk to reward ratio, guys. Let's go. We've got 44 pip gain, only risking 20 pips. At this point, even only risking 15 pips. Let's go. Nice and tight. Stop loss, nice and tight. Yeah, we broke this level of support too here. So I see odd US melting to this level of structure low over here. Obviously, nothing's guaranteed, but this is kind of what my overall bias on odd US is. Now, guys. Welcome. Couple new people joining us, guys. Welcome to the family. Let's go. Let's go. I'll leave the floor open for now, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat box. Now that you guys have me here live right now, I'm gonna try and edit this description here. Got a couple more people joining in here. We've got Rico Star, GBP US. Welcome, Rico. Not sure if you're part of the family, my friend, but welcome. Take a look at. We already did, but I'll take a look at it for you again. Give me 1 second here. All right, guys. So that odd USD trade that we literally just took live right now, you guys can see that it's going clearly in our favor. I literally told you guys, hey, we're looking for sells for odd US. You guys can see it's in the flesh. It is melting right now. So, yeah, just a nice trade in the flesh live in our live stream. Yeah, anyways, we'll let that trade run, but that's pretty cool how that's going in our favor as well. In the meantime, we'll go back to that pair. In the meantime, we will take a look at GBP US here again. We got Rico here asking us. All right, so it seems like we are getting a pullback, which is a pullback that we were expecting anyways. So we know that the daily we were at this level of support. Remember, I told you guys we're kind of expecting GBP US or any GBP JPY, any of these British pairs to pull back after a strong push like we saw. So I'm expecting GBP US potentially to come back down to these lows over here. Potentially, obviously, like nothing is 100% guaranteed. 4-hour time frame, got the 1-hour time frame here. Even if we pull, like, let's say, for example, like the fib here, for example, you know what I mean? We can kind of target, kind of comes down over here, 0.618 to this level of structure here. I mean, it's not 100%, but, you know, kind of an area where price could be reacting. Yeah, from the push. 0.618, that's kind of what we can expect for GBP USD. Short term, some sort of a pullback, which we're already getting that pullback. Then if we break below this structure here, then we're looking for a continuation of sells to this level of support. And then we want to see price hold this level of support, and then we can expect a continuation to the upside. That's kind of what I'm looking at for GBP US. Sort of a pullback, guys, to this level of structure before we get a nice continuation to the downside, to the upside, sorry. Again, price could also just come down, pull back to this level here. Sometimes price won't come down all the way down here, right? Gotta keep that in mind as well. Price could actually react at this level of structure. Gotta keep that in mind, okay, guys? Let me know if you understood that. Smash that like button, guys. Let me know in the chat box below if you guys are understanding that explanation on gold. Sorry, on GBP US. Let me know. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're expecting some sort of a pullback, like I mentioned, right? And price could potentially come to this level of structure here. And if we get a break of this level of structure, then we're definitely looking for the pullback to come down to this level here. We can kind of see price hold this level of support for a continuation to the upside. That's what we're looking at there. Odd US trade that we just took live right now as well, going in our favor. Let's go. Look, it's melting. Literally, I just told you guys 5 minutes ago about this trade. So yeah, let's go. Smash that like button, guys, if you guys understand my explanation. If you guys enjoyed that explanation, smash that like button. Also, guys, join the family if you haven't already, and also don't forget to hit that little notification bell, guys. It's crucial because, for example, this live stream that I'm doing right now is a live stream that I'm just, sharing my time with you guys. You know what I mean? Because I'm usually here every single day, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. I'm always here. But these live streams pre-London session, they usually kind of surprise you guys, right? So you won't know if I'm live unless you actually hit the notification bell. So make sure you guys join the squad, join the familia. So yeah, let's go. Rico Star, agree, thanks, 100%. Hey Rico, man, I hope you understood that, bro. And thank you, man. Thanks for joining the family as well. Got a couple more viewers coming in, guys. Let me know any pairs that you guys are looking at. Odd US going in our favor. Yes, my guy. Okay, let's focus on something else, guys. GBP odd, same thing, similar concept. We're waiting for some sort of a pullback. That's what we want. We can see that structure highs are above here at this level. Okay, so price is reacting here. You can see that in the past we were stuck in this range. Okay, we were stuck in this range. Price broke below, did its own thing here. We had news, whatever. Price came back up, pierced through this range like nothing. And now it's retesting the highs of this range. Okay. This to me is a fake out above here in the past. And this right now could be potentially another fake out. The 4-hour time frame, by the way, on GBP odd. So we really need to keep an eye out and see what price does, right? If this 4-hour candle, remember, higher time frames, we understand the overall direction of the market. Then we narrow it down to the smaller time frames, right? And we look at our entries. So it's really, really crucial for you guys to understand this. I teach this every single time on my live streams, guys. You guys will understand how I view the markets, but we want to understand the overall market structure and kind of understand what price is doing. But right now, we're just kind of retesting the highs of this range. We're back in this range essentially. So we could potentially remember when we're in a ranging market, what are we looking for, guys? What are we looking for when we're in a ranging market? We are looking for either a breakout, right? And that breakout could be to the upside or a breakout to the downside. Okay, so I want you guys to understand that. And are you guys with me here? Let me know if you're with me and listening, guys, because it's really important. If you want to take your trading to new levels, and you know what I mean, you want to come to a level where you're actually profitable, you have to understand basic market structure. This is what I teach you guys every single time, guys. I'm telling you. So what happens when price is ranging like this? This is a ranging market condition, right? What I'm seeing here is price is not going, it's not trending upwards, it's not trending downwards. We're looking for what? A breakout. And that breakout will be to the upside of this range or the downside of this range. Simple, like this. This was downside of this range. Typically, we get a pullback or a retest once we get a break. But you know what I mean? Sometimes it's super bearish that it doesn't even do the retest, right? So that's fine. If we miss an opportunity, that's okay. Another thing you have to understand with trading, guys, is that when you're starting out, you're gonna FOMO. You're gonna feel like, oh man, I'm gonna miss this opportunity. Don't freak out, guys. Don't freak out. Trading is all about this too, right? Mentality, being patient, being consistent, right? And so the more you start understanding the markets and stuff like that, guys, funny enough, is the less I want to trade because I just want to focus on quality trades over quantity, right? And I teach this and I can't stress this enough, guys. Don't FOMO in. You have people that are like, oh my God, I got to take 7 trades today, or you know what I mean? You're trying to, you can't get into trading thinking it's going to be a get rich quick. I call it get rich slow, because it's something nice and steady that you're building over time. You know what I mean? And so that skill set will pay you off in the future. But you have to be patient with it, right? And if you just don't have the patience, I mean, sometimes trading isn't for everyone, right? Like I've been doing this for 6 years now, you know what I mean? So it's taken me a long time to actually fully understand, be like, okay, you know what? It's all good. Price melted, that's okay. Why am I gonna sell the bottom? You know what? Price pushed up. Why am I gonna buy the top? Right? Be patient, guys. Oh, I missed this move, man. Frick, can I still get on a buy here, man? Can I? No, 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 no. Be patient, guys. Be patient. It's a waiting game. It's a patience game. You know what I mean? And the more you realize that, the better you'll become. The better trader you will become. And I'm telling you that because that's a fact, guys. Um, but anyways, guys, if you guys are enjoying this live stream, make sure you guys smash that like button. You guys do me a huge solid. It's absolutely free, guys. It does support the channel. Like I said, I'm here to help you guys. You know what I mean? That's why I created this channel, is to provide as much value to the community. And if you know what I mean, if you're just starting out, guys, you know what I mean, and you're just looking for, answers and stuff like that, you come to the right place. I've been there before. When I first started, it was very difficult. There's so much information out there, and you're just looking for clarity. You know what I mean? So welcome, welcome, welcome. So yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at. We're back in this range, guys. We're looking at these highs here. That price is already reacting at the highs of this range. And so what we can expect actually for GBP odd is a potential actually pullback. A push to the downside actually is what we can expect, to be honest. Excuse me. We could expect probably price come back down and retest, excuse me, the lows of this range as a level where price could react. So probably like around this level here is where price could come back down, potentially, right? Because we got a strong move here. We were looking at GBP. You can see like we already had buys from this morning, right? And it went absolutely in our favor. You can see that we had that strong momentum. Look at that pullback. I highlighted this area here. You can see that literally. And you could actually go back to my previous live stream, guys, and see that I was looking for buys for GBP odd and GBP. I told you guys in my live stream, guys, this is what I'm looking at. And literally price went exactly as predicted. And this isn't because I have a magic ball or something. Absolutely not, guys. As traders, we are able to understand what price is potentially going to do. We look for the probabilities. What are the probabilities of price going upwards? What are the probabilities of price coming to this level and reacting at this level? You know what I mean? So as traders, no one has a magic ball. No one can tell you, hey, this is gonna happen, or this is where price is gonna go. But we grab all the puzzle pieces and we go, okay, this is the confirmation number 1, confirmation number 2, confirmation number 3. Okay, we're at a major level of structure in a higher time frame. We're at this major level of support. We're forming this double top formation. We're getting rejection candles here. We're getting an engulfing candle here. You know what I mean? We start adding all the confirmations. You're like, okay, this is what price is wanting to do. You know what I mean? So this is a great example where we were expecting to make 150 pips, and better yet, look at how far price went. You know what I mean? In our favor. And this was this morning, guys. You can watch my previous live stream for those that are just new or you don't believe it. Literally said, hey, I've got this marked up, and I have that little square highlight because I do those highlights there that you guys could see the area that I'm focusing on, the area that I'm looking at where price is going to reject. Okay? Yeah. You guys understand an explanation for GJ, guys? Let me know. Smash that like button. Let's go. Put some fire emojis in it. Man, you guys are making me fall asleep, and I'm the one that's sick. Come on, man. Let's go. I'm the one that's sick. And I'm here trying to support you guys, man. Come on, let's go. Give me some fire emojis, guys, in the chat box below. Give me some fire emojis if you guys are feeling this explanation. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Yeah, so GBP GJ. Take a look at CAD JPY. So CAD JPY, we were kind of at this level where I said, hey, if price breaks above this level of structure, we're looking for buy setups, which it didn't. So, okay, fine. Price has kind of been ranging. We're kind of stuck in this range, and we've kind of had some fake outs here, and we're still stuck in this range. This is the high of the range, this is the mid level of the range, and this is the low. So we're kind of retesting here. I'm probably looking for CAD JPY potential sells, but I think it's going to come back up and retest this high yet once more and create some sort of a double top like this over here. And then we can maybe see it come back down to the mid level here and retest this level, this lower level right here. That's kind of what I can expect for CAD JPY, guys. You guys with me, or are you falling asleep? What's going on? Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, let me know if you guys understood that explanation, guys. You guys with me? So we're stuck at this range. That's kind of what we're looking at for CAD JPY now. So you can see that this is the high of the range over here. Okay. This is the mid level of the range, and this is the low of the range. So I can expect price to come back up here right now, current price action, and create some sort of a double top similar to here on the left hand side over here. So we could create another high. If we reject it once more, then we can expect price to come back down at least to this mid level here, probably up here at this ranging area here. Sells. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. We had some stuff marked up if we were looking at price kind of break above, because we were seeing some fake outs above this ranging level. Yeah, so anyways, that's that. That's our GBP odd trade from this morning. That's going in our favor, went in our favor. Odd USD trade right now is pulling back, but we are looking for long-term sells, at least this level structure down here. We'll let it do its thing there. Take a look at OddCAD. Similar thing, OddCAD. We did get that bounce back. You see how my arrow was bounced here? That square, I always do this square here to mark off an area of support. I always do that in the live streams, guys, so you'll see that. So yeah, look, price actually went all the way up exactly how we were predicting it was, about 46 pips. So it's not, I mean, that's still decent, right? That's still a decent amount of pips that we can catch. So go. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Price went in our favor. We are retesting these highs right now. Let's take a look here on the 15-minute. Anything kind of breaking below, I would say, this level structure, look for sells. Yeah. Yeah, for OddCAD. Technically anything below this level here, but just being super conservative down here. But I think anything technically below, if we break below this level structure, we'll probably get a pullback and then like retest, and then probably it'll continue. But we need to get rejection, which we are getting rejection of these level highs over here. Look at them. Yeah, 1 hour is looking bearish. 4 hours, well. Yeah. So again, we're kind of stuck in this range, mid-level of the range. Price is reacting to the level structure. Kind of looks like an inverse head and shoulders. So, I mean, we could get some sort of a pullback to this level down below here, over here, and then we could get price to push back up to the highs of this range, potentially even higher. So that's kind of what we're looking at right now. So let's go, guys. All right, euro odd, euro odd. I mean, it is going in our favor. We were looking for buy setups, so we're getting some sort of an exhaustion right now. So I think price could potentially come back down this level here of 0.618 before it continues to push higher. Potentially. Yeah. We could expect Euro New Zealand. We've been trending bullish for Euro New Zealand. It seems like we're finally kind of breaking above this major range area on the daily time frame. So it seems like we might get some sort of a pullback, however. Yeah, so we might be getting some sort of a pullback. For sell setups below this level of structure, would be temporary sells to potentially these lows over here, kind of area down here, or even down. And then we might be able to get a push. We'll see. And then we would potentially, if price pushes up, we could look for buy setups above this level of structure. And again, this is conservative just to, people that are new, you know what I mean? We can get on more aggressive entries if we're looking at like heavy rejections, buy setups here, that are stops nice and tight. But again, if you're just starting out, just to be more conservative, this is kind of how I'm showing you guys right now. Welcome, guys. Couple new members joining the family. Let's go. Did you guys understand that explanation? Let me know if you guys understood that explanation in the chat box below, guys. Smash that like button as well if you understood the explanation. You're enjoying the live stream, guys. Couple new family members joining in. Welcome. Couple new subscribers as well, guys, joining in for the family. Let's go. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Welcome to La Familia. Let's go. US oil, let's go. You guys remember I told you guys we're looking at price rejecting this level of structure in the morning. I told you guys we're going to get a pullback. Remember I told you we're looking for nice clean sells at this level of structure here. See a price? This is a level of structure here, guys. You can see that price is reacting to this level once more. If it pierces below, then we're looking for US oil come back down to these lows over here. So we'll see what ends up happening if price breaks this level of support. We can expect a continuation to the downside to this level of structure down here. And then we were looking at sell setups here anyways at the beginning of this morning in the live stream. So as you guys can see, price actually melted to this level of structure. So that went in our favor, which is pretty cool. But I'll keep you guys in the loop either way in the future for oil as well. Guys, for those of you that haven't joined our free Telegram, we have our Blessed Traders Academy. It's absolutely free to join, guys. That's where I post my analysis as well. Usually I share my analysis live and we take trades live in the live stream, but the Telegram group is also good too when I'm not live. So at least you guys get notified and stuff like that. So make sure you guys join that free Telegram as well. Welcome to the family, guys. Appreciate you all. You guys know that. So okay, so yeah, so NZD CHF, we're just kind of stuck in this kind of ranging, consolidating situation. We're kind of holding this level of support right now. 4 hour, 30-minute. Yeah, we're just ranging right now, so there's no trades right now for NZD CHF. GBP odd, we are getting that pullback. GBP US as well, we're getting that pullback we expected. So let's see how gold is doing. Okay, so gold is pulling back up, guys. Remember, I told you guys, when you see gold break above this level structure for potential buy setups for gold, okay? We are getting a rejection. We got a nice clean rejection here on the 15-minute time frame. Even if we look at the 30-minute, nice clean. I need to see this close. But if we get a break above this level structure here, we can look for nice clean buy setups. 1 hour, again, look at this wick rejection, guys. This is what I was telling you guys about. Look at that wick rejection, right? Just need this candle to close above here. Strong bullish candle sentiment. Then we can look for nice clean buy setups on gold. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You guys understanding the explanation on gold? If you did, smash that like button for me, guys. Also, guys, for those of you that are just joining the family, don't forget to hit that little notification bell, guys. That way you get notified when we're live. One sec, guys. All right, guys, give me one sec. I'll be right back. Let's go, guys. I'm back. So we got a couple new Adam. Hey bro, it's good. No, not making tea right now. But you got me going now. Now I feel like getting tea, man. I usually am, so all right guys. I am back. Okay, so um feeling much better, guys. I really am. Like I feel a little bit better. I was feeling complete crap yesterday, but I was still happy to come on the live stream for you guys. So super thankful I was able to come through yesterday. So yeah, so that's what we're looking at for gold, guys. We are looking at gold buy setups potentially, but we are getting that rejection. Just look at that heavy wick rejection, guys, over here, right? What I need to see is this candle break above this level structure. Once we get a break above and a nice close above, then we're looking for buy setups to at least these highs over here. See price probably react over here too, potentially, because we've got a little bit of support there. We could look for nice clean buy setups on gold. Plus, we're holding this level of support. Plus, we got a break above this level structure. So this is looking like a nice clean potential setup for gold. We'll keep an eye out on that. Keep you guys in the loop. US30, we already looked at that. S&P 5. Take a look at S&P 5. S&P 5, guys. Look at this trade setup, guys. And again, mind you, if this already happened, that's fine. And maybe you guys are like, well, why matter? Why does it matter going over pairs that already happened or went in our favor? This is good because I want to teach you guys, right? That's the whole objective. I want you guys to learn. I don't want to just be like just me knowing, you know what I mean, how to trade, but also I want to teach you guys so that you guys can replicate on your own, right? We got a couple more people. Adam here. Adam, welcome, bro. Gotta make that tea. You know how it is, bro. Shakib Shots. Good morning. Good morning, wherever you are, my friend. I am in Canada, so we are actually good night. But good morning for you, wherever you are. And welcome. So let's continue on, guys. So we are looking at S&P 5. We were stuck in this range. So we know that this is the low of the range, okay? And so we can see that price has rejected this level multiple times in the past, right? We've got support, resistance, and we had a fake out here, and then we're now getting potentially like a fake out again. But this is the highs. We got resistance. Price tried to break above a little bit further, came back down. So once we saw price disrespect, look at this area, this major level structure here. We got support. Sorry, we got resistance. Then price pierced below, and then this is when I told you guys, right? I'm like, guys, wait for the pullback. Okay, so retest of this structure. We got the rejection we wanted. We got in, and then look how price went in our favor here, guys. It went absolutely in our favor for over, like we're talking almost 400 pips, guys. This is insane, right? So exactly as predicted, you reached a 0.50 gold zone rejection. We broke this level structure. We retested this level structure and we rejected it. Look how it went in our favor. So right now, this is kind of like, to me, just price is just kind of ranging right now. It's kind of like, you know, some sideways action. I need to see price either continue to break below or for price to come back into this range, essentially for S&P 5. Guys, you guys understanding that explanation? Please let me know if you're understanding this explanation. Smash that like button if you're understanding that explanation, guys. And welcome to the new members as well. We got a couple new family members joining in, guys. Welcome. couple new subscribers joining the family. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell, guys, so you get notified every single time we're live. Because I am live. I do come live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. But I do these surprise live streams in the evenings. So if you're not subscribed already and you're looking to take your trading to new levels, guys, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that little bell. All right, guys, let's continue on. So that's this trade as well went in our favor, guys. Look at that beautiful trade, went in our favor here. So let's continue on USD CAD. We were looking at USD CAD. We saw price. So we were, you see my arrows here. We looked for price to come back up, came back down, but it didn't go all the way as expected. So price did pull up exactly as predicted, but then it came down, but didn't go all the way down. So that's fine. We're stuck in this range. That's kind of what we're looking at. We can see this is the high of the range, okay? And then this is the low of the range, okay? We are on the 30-minute time frame, by the way. So we got to go up to the 4-hour and see kind of where we're at. So 4-hour, we have been trending upwards, bullish. And so right now we're kind of taking an exhaustion. We're taking a break. Okay, so it seems like anything that price breaks below this level structure, we're looking for definitely sell setups. And anything above this level, we're looking for buy setups. So right now we're just stuck in an indecision, kind of in this range. So we just need to wait for a breakout. The 1-hour time frame. So we need to see either a breakout to the upside, and we can start targeting these highs over here, and then a continuation to the upside, breakout to the downside, and a continuation to probably price pulling back down below, probably targeting these lows here. So that's kind of what we can target for USD CAD in terms of sell setups for this pair. Let me know, guys, if you guys are understanding this here. We've got, okay, Shaquem, we've got, I'm selling at 1661.70 is coming down or not. Please tell me. Thanks, bro. Yeah, so I'm going to tell you guys my overall bias. I'm not here to tell you guys signals. I'm here to support you guys as much as possible and provide you as much value. That is my goal, guys. I want you guys to be able to be successful in trading, and I want you guys to take your trading to new levels. You know what I mean? And if you're tired of losing trades, or you're tired of not being profitable or consistently profitable, well, you've come to the right place, guys. I'm here to teach you guys, and I'm here to support you. So you have a community of like-minded traders that are looking to make a difference. All right, guys, welcome to the familia. A couple more members joining in, guys. Welcome. Let's get it, guys. All right, we've got Janice. Janice has subscribed to the channel. Welcome, Janice. Welcome to the family. Let's hit that fire emoji, guys. If you guys understood that explanation on USD CAD, let's go. Let's freaking go, guys. Euro CAD, we had a nice trade on the pullback. This is the 1-hour time frame, 15-minute. Kind of clear the charts here, though. Go up to daily. Where are we? Okay, so we have been trending to the downside for quite some time, okay? But it seems like price is kind of retesting this level area here, which is a major level structure. This is a daily time frame. Let's narrow it down to the 4-hour. We know that this is kind of a major level structure. And so what we want to see potentially for Euro CAD is we can expect either price react here, kind of range for a bit and then pull back to at least this level of structure down here. And then we can expect, up here. Actually, potentially down here. Yeah, right about there. And then we can see price pull back, and then potentially, if we're able to hold this level of support here, we can look for price to actually come back up. Sorry, I don't know what's there. Come back up and break these highs, right? It'll probably retest these highs once more and then potentially break above these highs. Then we can look for a new continuation to the upside for Euro CAD, guys. That's what we can expect, but short-term wise, we're looking for a pullback. guys? You guys with me? Let me know in the chat box below if you guys are with me. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Smash that like button, guys, if you guys understood that explanation. Let's go. Let's go. Let me know, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We can expect some sort of a pullback, guys. That's what we're expecting. A potential pullback for Euro CAD. Anyways, let's move on here, guys. Let's go back to these major pairs, see where they're at. So GBP odd is getting a nice pullback. So we are getting a nice pullback to this level here as predicted. Yeah, so we can definitely expect for GBP odd to react here at this level. We just got to see what ends up happening, guys. GJ as well, we can start looking for pullbacks. That's what we're expecting. Nice clean pullbacks. And we can look for nice sell setups in the short term. Narrow it down to the shorter time frames and look for sell setups. Last call for gold. Yeah. Take a look here one more time, guys. Okay, so we got that nice candle close above. We got an engulfing candle, nice bullish. If you want to play it safe, I would probably look at entries above this level. Make sure it breaks above this level structure. But again, at the same time, I mean, gotta manage your risk, guys. Leave it nice tight, probably like 30 pips. Okay, and then probably target gold. Got 30 pips. Oh, 51 pips. Yeah, I mean it's a higher risk trade setup, to be honest. So it's not my ideal trade setup, but I mean still it could probably just go in our favor. Just the way it's looking, just the way price is not wanting to push to the downside. We're at kind of this major level of support. This is the ranging area on the left hand side. Yeah, I mean I could expect a push to at least this level here, and then we can look for a pullback and continue to push above to these sides here. That could be a possibility, but I'm not calling a trade here, guys, yet. Kind of a little bit risky still. So yeah, guys, that's kind of what we're looking at anyways for gold for now. Odd US, I am expecting odd US to melt. I am looking for odd US to the down. GJ as well. We could see a nice pullback in London session. I have a feeling we're gonna get like a nice pullback and push to the downside, as well as all the GJ pairs, GBP pairs. CAD JPY as well. CAD JPY, we're looking for sells as well. All right, guys. Last call. We're gonna call it a night, guys. I gotta see you guys in the morning, anyways, at 7 a.m. So thanks so much for joining in, guys. If you enjoyed that explanation, if you enjoyed this live stream, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. And yeah, for those of you guys that are just joining in or are new, welcome to the family, guys. My name is Pedro, and we do Forex trading. And we focus on basic market structure. And I teach you guys what I know, or at least share with you guys my knowledge and what I've learned over the past 6 years. So yeah, if you guys are new and you're looking to take your trading to new levels, make sure you guys smash that like button, but also make sure you join the family, guys. It's absolutely free to join, and also, don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way, you guys get notified when I do these lives, even in the evenings. Because in the evenings, I do surprise you guys. It's not something that I'm here every day. So I'm here every single day, Monday to Friday in the mornings, but in the evenings, you won't know when I'm live unless you subscribe. So make sure you guys join the family. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media. So socials. So it's Pedro FX official. Pedro FX official on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and all the above. And then also make sure you guys follow me on my Telegram as well too. It's free to join the free Telegram group we have. Really, really cool. We've got an awesome community of traders that share their ideas and also share my ideas, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I appreciate you guys very much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.